Understanding trained plants, a guide to English gardening terms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, trained plants. This might sound a bit strange if you're learning English, but it's a common term in gardening. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used. I hope you'll find this interesting and informative. Trained plants refers to plants that have been shaped and directed to grow in a specific way. This is often done for aesthetic reasons in gardens or for practical purposes like maximizing space. When we train a plant, we're manipulating its natural growth pattern to suit our needs or desires. Think of it as a form of living art. There are various methods to train plants. Some common techniques include 1. Pruning, cutting back branches or leaves to encourage growth in a particular direction. 2. Staking, using stakes or supports to guide the growth of a plant. 3. Espalier, a sophisticated method where plants, often fruit trees, are trained to grow flat against a structure like a wall. 4. Topiary, creating artistic shapes by trimming and shaping shrubs or trees. Each method has its own purpose and is suitable for different types of plants. Some familiar examples of trained plants include bonsai trees, miniature trees grown in containers and meticulously shaped. Climbing roses, often trained to grow on trellises or arbors. Fruit trees in orchards, regularly pruned and shaped to optimize fruit production. These examples show how training can be both beautiful and practical. Training plants can serve multiple purposes. Aesthetics. Trained plants can create stunning visual effects in gardens. Space management. Especially in smaller gardens, training plants helps utilize limited space effectively. Health and productivity. Proper training can improve a plant's health and yield, particularly in fruit-bearing plants. Trained plants is more than just a gardening term. It's a blend of art, science, and nature. Whether for beauty or practicality, training plants is a skillful way of working with nature to achieve desired results. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what trained plants means and why it's an important concept in gardening. Happy gardening and happy learning!